Don't underreact to this music. Look at me now. What do you think? I need to know before I go back up to heaven. Yeah, to be with my family and friends. Ooh, what did you see? What did you hear? Do you really care about what they say about me? I don't give a damn, 'cause this is my life. And when I die, you'll cry. Next week, everything is back to normal business. Why do you wanna hurt somebody when you know that they love you and they show that they love you? Take it on down, break it on down. Oh, red rain, slow down, yeah. They said that you're moving too fast, yeah. Please don't go, no. We want you to last. I apologize for what we done last week. Yeah. Rest in peace to my Auntie Annie Mae. Yeah. I apologize. I apologize. Yeah. And I want you to know, you already know how I feel about you, my Auntie Annie Mae. I miss you so much and I can't let this go. I am filled with so much pain. Everybody say that I'm changing, yeah. Not for the good, but for the bad, bad reasons. I miss you so much. I need you so much. I feel empty inside. I feel like I just wanna die. I know that I should not be talking like this when I know that I am a star. But can somebody tell me when it's gonna break it through? I don't wanna be around nobody. Hey, I feel like I hate everybody, but I know deep in my heart, and you know deep in your heart, I'm a good man. Some don't understand, but it is my plan to get it right. For all of you that disagree with Red Rain and what he do and how he live, I'll step to the side. Yeah, and just let me walk through so I can show you there's nobody in this world, that can walk in my shoes. No, yeah. I think you my God from up above, and all of my family that's dead and gone. Please keep on watching over me. I don't mean to sound so selfish. Oh, that's the way of this world today. Everybody's hating. The devil is doing his job. Well, I feel sorry for all of you that's going through what I'm going through. Ooh, it hurts so much. People don't understand. They can't read what's on your mind. They don't know what's in your heart. Keep on doing what you do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One day you're gonna see how it feels to be so bitter and lonely. And lonely, yeah, and mistreated. You gotta